Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video today we will talk about plants in water. That what special features the plants have that are growing in water. So first of all, the plants that grow in water are known as aquatic plants. Okay, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Aquatic plants. Okay, so aquatic plants are classified into three categories. There are three types of aquatic plants. One is floating plants, second is underwater plants, and third is fixed plants. First of all, we will talk about floating plants, that what kind of adaptations or special features floating plants have. First is they have spongy stems. They have spongy stems, and these stems have empty spaces in them that get filled with air so that they can float easily. बेटा इन स्टेम्स के बीच में, इनकी जो स्टेम्स होती हैं उनके बीच में एम्प्टी स्पेसेस होती हैं. जो एम्प्टी स्पेसेस हैं दे आर गेटिंग फिल्ड विद एयर, वो एयर के साथ भर जाती हैं. दैट हेल्प देम टू फ्लोट ईजिली ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ दे हैव लाइट वेट लीव्स. उनके जो लीव्स होते हैं बहुत ही लाइट वेट होते हैं. ड्यू टू दैट दे डू नॉट सिंक इन द वाटर. वो वाटर में सिंक नहीं होते, बट दे हेल्प the plant to float on water. So in this way these are the special features of floating plants. Example, duckweed and water hyacinth. You can see in this picture the duckweed plant. Okay, now next is underwater plants. Underwater plants are those plants that are inside the water, in the water bodies, जो अंदर होते हैं बिल्कुल. Okay, so what special features they have? Roots of these plants are fixed in the muddy soil underwater. ठीक है, जो वाटर के अंदर सॉइल होती है नीचे, उन वहाँ पे इनकी रूट्स जो होती हैं दे आर फिक्स्ड. द स्टेम्स ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स ऑल्सो हैव एयर स्पेसिस. जो इनकी स्टेम्स होती हैं बेटा उनमें एयर स्पेसिस होती हैं. एंड दे हैव नैरो एंड थिन लीव्स. जो इनके लीव्स होते हैं दे आर नैरो एंड थिन. क्यों होते हैं बेटा इनके लीव्स नैरो एंड थिन? सो दैट दे कैन so that they can bear the pressure of water. Okay, if they have broad leaves, then with the pressure of water the leaves will detach. So they have thin and narrow leaves. So examples of underwater plants are hydrilla and tape grass. You can see here in the picture hydrilla plant. Okay, now next is fixed plants. Some of the adaptations of fixed plants are as follows. Beta, these are the fixed plants. These are above the water line and their roots are fixed. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of the water bodies. Roots तो नीचे fix होती हैं, but their upper part is above the water line, as you can see here in this picture. That is water lily. Okay, next is they have flat leaves. They have flat leaves that can float on the surface of water. जो इनके leaves होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Flat होते हैं. Example, lotus and lily, water lily. Lotus and water lily. So in this way we can say that different plants have different features to live in water. So with this we have completed our third chapter. Hope you understand this chapter. Please read this chapter carefully. This is very easy and very interesting also, because we have different types of animals and we have different types of plants, and each plant and animal has its special features to survive in that particular habitat. Okay beta, so please read this chapter carefully, chapter number 3, and into next video we will discuss our question answers of this chapter. Okay, so till then, bye bye.